Hi guys! Are you looking for the best hand tool sets? If you received a new hand tool sets, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best hand tool sets on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Let's started on this video. Link on the description. Number 1. Kraball Professional Leather Craft. Link on the description. Number 2. Dekopro General Household Hand. Link on the description. Number 3, Cartman 2 18-piece. Link on the description. Number 4. Tool, kaobuy Leather Hand Sewing. Link on the description. Number 5. 11542 87-piece Mechanics. Link on the description.